Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to hide a heading from a table of contents in Google Sites. This is one of my websites on Google Sites, and this is the table of contents on this page. Let's say that I want to hide this 2021 heading from this table of content. First, I will visit sites.google.com, enter the websites I'm interested in, then go to the page that have my table of contents. In my case, it's family photos. This is the table of content, and this is the 2021 heading I want to hide. Simply hover over it and you will see this hide option. Click on it like that. Then don't forget to publish your changes. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my Google Sites online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Google Sites, building content, for example, how to write articles and upload videos or photos. Also, enhancing your Google site, like how to add an image carousel, a video background, a WhatsApp link, Facebook pixel. Also, publishing and managing, customizing and advanced features, like how to add sitemap to Google Sites, additional features like how to rotate images on Google Sites, how to resize images, print Google Sites. Also, another category of monetizing your Google Sites, for example, how to promote affiliate links on Google Sites. Special use cases for Google Sites, like how to use Google Sites to make a portfolio, a blog, a gaming website, how to create a login page, and finally, managing your Google site, like how to index your Google site and also how to export it. If you want to get access to all of this today for free, and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial and click again on this publish button. Your site has been published successfully. Click on view, or simply let's refresh the same page. And this is how to hide a heading from your table of content on Google Sites. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.